James had a model helicopter. The model is 16 inches long and 14 inches wide. The actual helicopter is 56 inches long. What is the helicopter's actual width if we assume the model's proportions are accurate? So we've got I'm going to put the small on top over the big. Okay, so I've got 16 inches long and the big one is 56 inches long. We know it's 14 inches wide, but we don't know how wide it is. So we're going to use this proportion and do cross multiplication. 56 times 14 equals 16 times x. So 56 times 14 gives us 784 equals 16 times x. So to get rid of the 16 that's being multiplied by x, we're going to divide both sides by 16. So 784 divided